BVT516 Step-by-Step Packing Guide. Center wings. Landing gear. Tails. Outer wings. Fuselage. Rear fuselage. Batteries. Insert batteries. Insert rear fuselage. Insert fuselage. Insert landing gear. Insert tails and outer wings. Insert first center wing. Pull top cover down. Insert second center wing. Close the transportation enclosure.